Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with your time zone settings being grayed out on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. First I recommend doing to enable location services if they are not currently enabled. In order to do that, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down under the app permissions, click on location. You just need to turn it on guys, location services to turn it on and let apps access your location. This also you need to turn it on guys. And after turning it on, this both you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, then attempt to modify your time zone settings. Hopefully your problem solved guys. In case if you're still having problem, then you need to go to registry editor and manually change it guys. In order to do that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it guys. Click on S. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the system and expand the current control set and expand the services. In services you just need to search for TEZ auto update. TEZ auto update. At this point you just need to know the file path location guys. I will zoom in my video. You just need to check it out. After checking it, on right side you just need to double click on the start. And so if you want to set time zone automatically, you just need to set this value to 3. So if you want to disable set time zone automatically, you just need to type here 4. I am gonna enable set time automatically guys. You just need to type value data 3 and select OK. For save changes, you just need to close off here. And that's all you have to do it guys. Now go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem is solved. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.